Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood PM here to give you your top 3 market points of the week. Now, the markets have been relatively choppy this week, but it does look like we are on pace for a positive week. So without further ado, let's dive right into your top 3 points of the week. Kicking us off at number 3, it's economic data. We did see a bit of a slowdown in economic data this past week, with services coming in a little bit slower as firms deal with rising costs and softening demand. On top of that, we did see some contraction in hiring in the month of July, kind of bringing rise to some concerns around a stagflationary environment, which is why you're continuing to hear more and more chatter about, hey, rate cuts, because the last thing you want is to find yourself in a stagflationary environment. At point number 2, it was Eli Lilly reporting earnings. Eli Lilly did beat on both revenue and EPS and raised their forward-looking revenue guidance for the rest of the year and saw very strong growth numbers from their Mounjaro weight loss drug. However, the stock fell close to 14% on the day because they reported less than expected figures on their weight loss pill that they've been in development. Now, the pill came out and the data showed that it helped patients lose roughly 11% of their weight versus Wall Street's expectations of around 13%. So obviously, when you don't hit Wall Street's expectations, you get a little bit punished on that front. So they fell by close to 14%, like we already mentioned. Now, this is key because Wall Street is viewing the obesity market to be close to a $95 billion opportunity come 2030. And this pill is really a key to unlocking that entire addressable market. Now, Lilly still posted good data results from those trials, and they are looking to get a regulatory approval by the end of the year and have it hit shelves next year. But obviously did not hit Wall Street's expectations and got punished as a result. And then finally, point number 1, probably guessed it, it's the administration announcing additional tariffs. So the administration did come out and announce potentially 100% level tariffs on semiconductor imports. Now, what the administration did say, however, is that they are going to exempt any company that brings back domestic manufacturing on their chips here stateside. And interestingly enough, that announcement was made in tandem with CEO of Apple, Tim Cook. And funny enough, it was coordinated at the same time where Apple announced that they were planning on investing roughly $100 billion in domestic manufacturing here stateside. And well, as it turns out, Apple rallied off of that announcement. Who could have guessed on that? So once again, more tariff news coming through the pipeline, and we're all trying to keep up with it. Now, that does it for your top 3 points this week. What are we looking for next week? Well, next week, it's going to be all about inflation. We see the numbers coming in on the 12th, so we'll keep you posted on that here. But that does it for this week's video. If you have additional questions, please reach out to your financial advisor. And if you do not have one, follow our link below, and we'll get you connected with one. But as always, please go out, enjoy your weekend, and we will see you the same time next week. Thanks again.